These are amounts of calories you burn during different common physical activities.
Based on Harvard Medical School data. Note that these are average values, calculated for 70 kilograms or 155 pounds man. There are some differences for higher and lower weights.
Let us know in the comments your exact weight and preferred activities, and we will reply with precise values.
In next videos, we will show you calories burned during different training and sport activities.
There are also many more interesting videos on our channel, most about nutrition.
And healthy foods recipes from the author of this channel.
So subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated. You will also support the development of this channel.
Thank you so much for watching.